Hello friends, today I show you my A to Z chocolate collections. A for Alpenliebe, B for so many bournville, bournville hazelnut, bournville fruit and nut, bournville gums and raisins. After B, oh my god, C for Chupa Chups bucket, meet the crisps Halloween treat. D for सबका फेवरेट dairymilk, कुछ मीठा हो जाए. एंड D for सब जिससे डरते हैं, create your own Dino puzzles. E for eclairs. F for frutella and Hopkins funny faces. Funny face fruit flavored lollipop. And now G for galaxy and gems, colorful gems. Here is your H. Hershey's exotic dark chocolate. Do you love me? I love you most. I for amul fruit and nut. I love you chocolate. I के बाद क्या आता है? J आता है ना? J मतलब जस्ट जेली या जेली मजा. K से क्या आएगा? K से kitkat. And K say Kinder. Oh my god, so big Kinder, so cute. Oh my god. After K, here is L, Lindor. M for कौन आ रहा है? Mike and like. Oh my god, big Mentos. And cute M&M. And for mummy's favorite nutties. O for Oreo go, and Oreo go. P for Pokemon. And Tick Pop. Q for chocolate. Q for कौन सा चॉकलेट आता है? मुझे तो याद ही नहीं आ रहा. क्या लाऊं? और ये Q for quality street. Yes. R for temptation का rums and raisins. S for chocobons. Wow, yummy. And Smarties. Wow, yummy. T for tangy treat and Twix. U for Unibic wafer, yummy strawberry. V for vintage. Wow, so cute bear. W for wafy, vanilla flavored creamy crunchy wafer. Extreme so deep. Y for what is this? Y for yum. Yan. And At last, here is Z. Z for Zazie.